Hey guys, well, I'm just gonna show you my trades. I took out the end. Okay. Here is the Power Pacific. Yeah, it's a really nice diesel. It's a pullback. See? Okay. Well, there's this one. Pacific Express. Same pullback. Yeah, it's a pullback. But they fit on track. Okay, here's the engine that actually runs that's from this set. So, yeah, it's not a pullback. See? Yeah, it's not a pullback. Then here's this one that was outside that probably doesn't do the pullback feature, even though it is a pullback. And then here's my dummy, okay? See? A great thing to tell about when I try to run these is the coupling. It's broke on this one, but it's not broke on this one. And also, on here the paint's chipped, but on here it's not. So, yeah. So I hope you like my video where I'm showing off my trades. So, bye!